current size, that's enough for
Today we will be going on a rocket ship to Mars. Watch this whole video to find out more and stay in touch for more updates.
To our flagship destination, the red planet, Mars. So, who's ready to fly to Mars then? Who's ready to fly to Mars? Brilliant!
Captain Peggy Goodwin with you again for our descent to Mars. We're about to decelerate from orbital speed, so cabin crew, please take positions for landing. Initiate deorbit burn. We're now flying over the awesome Valles Marineris Canyon. It's the largest canyon in the solar system, 5 times longer and 4 times deeper than the Grand Canyon in America, so that's about the width of Australia. Our landing spot in Noctis Labyrinthus is the maze of steep-walled valleys on the left-hand edge of the canyon. We just need a dust storm to pass before landing. It's stormy down there as expected because of the change of seasons from spring to summer, when the shift in temperature throws dust whirlwinds miles high. It's nothing to worry about, we just don't want it interfering with the senses. You'll experience lots of dust devils during your stay. Mars dust gets everywhere, so keep your dusters handy. You can now see record-breaking Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system and 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Not many have climbed it yet, so one for the very brave. There's a few storm patches to avoid out there today. Winds are at 70 miles per hour, the highest in 50 years. But that feels more like a breeze on Mars because of its thin atmosphere. Still need to dodge the flying debris though. The dust does get electrically charged, so we've got some minor electromagnetic interference. Okay, all done and dusted. Our descent path's now clear. We're at the edge of the atmosphere. Prepare for entry. Inflate heat-shielded hypocone. Activate supersonic retrofit thrusters. Release landing legs. We'll just detach the arrivals tunnel and you can disembark. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard Eden Galactic. We wish you a very enjoyable summer day and hope to see you again soon.
Please enjoy your experience. Have a wonderful stay. This labyrinth space.
So, hello everyone, I'm Dr. Luca Flores. I'm the lead botanist on the planet and I work at the greenhouse biomes just over here. In fact, all these plants that you can see around you go right over there. Now, it's my job to remove poisonous chemicals from the soils and add nutrients to help as they grow a little bit slower than they do on Earth. And we also have to watch out for heavy metal concentrations, but apart from that, the food that we grow does taste pretty good. Now, the rusty red colour of the soil comes from iron oxide, which was our first clue that the planet once had flowing water. In fact, we think that vast rivers and oceans are likely all carved out these dramatic canyons. And talking of water, there's not much around, so we do have to recycle everything. Even your wee, sweat and breath. Yeah, it can taste funky, but I promise it is clean. Your poo is also especially important to us as we use that to fertilise our plants. Yes, it is sticky work, but it does provide us with fresh food. Don't you hear that? This one, I believe this. Yes, here it is. So this is called a dust devil. They are frequent and can grow very big, very quick. to watch, but be sure to take shelter like this from once here, as they whip up a lot of poisonous dust. So as you can see, we have Lavatropolis, the Lava Tunnel Hotel over there, which is a brilliant example of how we build our settlements into the landscape and underground because of its natural protection from radiation. We also have space campers on the planet, and they're equipped with 2 weeks supply of oxygen as there's no breathable air on Mars. So we've got to watch out for the dust and stuff like that when they travel with kids. Right on cue, we've had a lot of these dust storms recently. Now, at times they can affect the temperature of the whole planet, although I haven't experienced one of those yet. This one actually doesn't look like a very big one, so it should pass quite quickly. Any second now. Right. Stay calm. The canyon should protect us. We are inside, so that's enough full protection. Just cover up your noses and mouths just in case you try to contact the storm. Any emergency evacuation will have to be a last resort. Here we go. Wow. Looks like a flash storm. Is everyone okay? Okay, yeah. That was a little bit scary, huh? Biggest storm I've seen here, that's for sure, but we did survive. Pretty amazing really how we worked out how to survive with all the dust storms and dust devils. And just 100 years after we sent the first rovers out in 1971. It took an average of 300 days to get to Mars from Earth. And look where we are now. You got here and told the universe in what was it, half an hour? How amazing is that? There's been so many inventions and pioneers from the one-way trips in 2030s to transporting materials in between planets. The next step is terraforming and changing the atmosphere so we can survive here without spacesuits. Well, astronauts, that's enough from me. It's about time you start your holidays. Now, if you'd all like to make your way through to a space passport control, if you have a passport, get that ready as this way that you'll
Bye. Please surprise for Naomi. Please subscribe to Naomi channel.
Please subscribe.
Bye. Love you guys.
Bye.